How to set up Remitly. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can set up Remitly. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. If you want to set up your Remitly account, it's a fairly simple process. You go ahead and then first of all, launch the Remitly app. And after you download it, this is the interface that you will see. So first choose a language for your Remitly account and tap on continue. Then tap on create a new profile because we're trying to set up Remitly for the first time. Select from which you want the country that you want to send to which country in this case. So once you've selected the country that you want to send from to other country, and then you can just tap on the next button. It will take you to their website version for a bit where you can choose to basically create a Remitly profile. So you can choose the email address for your Remitly account. Use your password and confirm your password and tap the sign up button to sign up for an account. Or you can just continue with your Google account as well by selecting continue with Google and selecting the Google account option there, and you'll be able to sign up or sign in and your Remitly account will be successfully set up. So this way you'll be able to set up Remitly. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.